How to unsend mail in Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can unsend mail in a Gmail. So let's just dive right in. First step, let's just open up our Gmail and start with mail. I'll just write a really random one to my other account. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, start writing a mail. I'll just write it random and random. So after you've finished composing a mail, tap on the send button. And right here you will see message sent. You can undo it from here. And this is the only way you can unsend a message. So there are no other ways you can do so, but what you can do is you can change the time limit for it. So for that, head over to the settings option on the top right here. Tap on see all settings. And after you're here, you should see different options. So head over to the general section, which you should be at by default. There you'll see undo send option. And you can see send cancellation period 5 seconds. So you can change it to 30 seconds to maximize your undo time limit. So you can unsend a mail and till 30 seconds after you've sent it. And yeah, that's basically the only way you can unsend a message. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Again, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.